Oh, it's blinking! Hi, we're at the beach. I don't even know if it's getting you. I can't even tell. Ugh.
You can't. Because you don't have the camera thing.
Oh, we're taking you around Hawaii. Yeah.
Hawaii.
Hawaii, my bad. I'm Hawaiian and I couldn't even say that right.
Hawaii ne. She's doing her hair.
Look at that sexiness. Sexy
Like a hoe.
Like a hoe. Whoa, what was that?
No, you're making me colder.
Because you're cold hearted. Hi. That's cold. It's just wood. Oh, he's drowning. Drowning?
Hi! I'm just really bored. And I just want to hang on him because I'm really new.
Hey, you guys go and get the water.
I'm going! I'm brother!
I'm not sure waiting. Go and get
You're showing his dick. Wait till I'm like
I can't even stand.
Wait, it's coming. It's coming.
You can do it musically.
Wait, get almost here. Get almost here. Stop it! Okay, wait.
move, Master.
When he was kicking, I was spawn trap.
It's so cold. That's so cold.
Look how pretty the water actually is today.
Look
Not as nice as like.
I'm trying to podcast. Yes, we are in Hawaii. And I am getting drenched in this rain. And look at us. This person about to drown.
It's a Boto dolphin.
A Boto dolphin.
I'm playing myself because Boto dolphins belong in fresh water, not seawater. Oh wait, salt water.
This is salt water, honey.
Salt
Honey,
water.
she should know about salt water and
This
fresh
is Molly's
water.
natural habitat.
Bro.
We're in your natural habitat, the ocean. Shout out to Miley Salty,
Slowly.
aka Salty.
I'm slowly losing.
Yeah,
Slowly.
you like those.
Hello.
Wow,
This is my friend, BM.
you're yelling in my ear.
Tic Tac.
Oh my god.
And we're having a fun.
See the picture.
I had to look it up on the computer. There's a little microchip inside. It's a bolted loose.
Hey, stop splashing.
The bolt might be loose.
was amazing, yeah? Hey, you're on the wrong side. On the side, you need to turn it. Oh. Look at the wind! Ah!